Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to download and install QlikView software. So you have to first go to this particular Google and you have to type QlikView. Then you have to click on this particular search result, which is being shown at the first only. After clicking on this particular search result, it will redirect us to the website of QlikView software, that is qlik.com/us/services. Then whenever you are seeing these particular products solutions, so there are different products such as QlikView, QlikSense. So QlikSense is also a product of this particular QlikView. Go to this particular support and you can see over here download. So as I have logged in, so this is my account which is being created on this particular QlikView website. So I have been logged in. So what we have to do, we have to go to this particular support tab. We have to click on download. After clicking on downloads, it will again ask us to type your username as well as password. So I have been logged in. I have created my account. So over here you can see that QlikView getting started, QlikView sales sports connector and QlikView web connector. So first thing is that you have to go to the support tab and then at the last you will be finding out downloads. Just click on the downloads. Before that you have to make sure that you have been logged in. So you have to create an account on QlikView website, QlikView software website. Then it will redirect us to the particular download page. So whichever software you have to download, you can just click. So if I want to download this particular QlikView, download your QlikView personal edition now. So this is being free and you have to accept the license conditions. As I have downloaded and installed it in my PC, so I just click on yes, I accept the condition. And if I have clicked on download now, so the software which I have downloaded is nothing but QlikView personal edition. So this is basically a file of 180 MB. So depending upon the speed, depending upon your uses, so it is getting downloaded. Then in this particular window, you can also see this Salesforce connector. So this can be also downloaded. So if you want to download the Salesforce connector, you can also download it. As well as there is QlikWeb connector is provided in this particular window, so you can also download. So whatever I have downloaded and installed on my PC is nothing but a QlikView desktop personal edition. So this you can find out in this first tab. So whenever this software is fully downloaded, at that time you have to just click on that particular .exe file. Click on that particular file, then it will ask us to select a language. So you have to select the language as English in bracket United States. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. Then click on next, and then it is going to download the whole setup, and at the end you have to click on finish. So basically the QlikView software which you are going to install will look like this. It is coming up to this particular start menu. So this is the QlikView 12 version which is updated in this month of May 2020. So I hope you have understood how to download and install. That's it for this video. Have a nice day.